Hey everybody, something just showed up in my mailbox and I think we should unbox it together.
Well, the postman's been really good to me lately. I've got 3 boxes to unpack for you today. One's a Casio. Another one, not pictured here, is a G-Shock. And I think this is a Swiss microbrand, but I'm not sure. Let's find out together.
Well, I have decided to step up to the big boys. This is a G-Shock, but not just any G-Shock. It's not a square. It's not a Casio. It's not even a GW9400. This is a big one, ABC. Now, if you were paying attention to the live stream I did with Dave and Shane on Collection Conundrum last week, you'll know I was choosing between 2 different watches. Let's find out which one I picked. Okay, I have to give it to them. They packaged this thing well. Holy cow. All right. We got our typical instruction module number 3410. That might give you a clue. And we have our standard metal tin. I love these little guys. Let's see what's inside. Foam, warranty, instructions, and a G-Shock. Oh my goodness, there it is. I picked up the standard issue RANGEMAN. Nice. It definitely has presence. I'll give you that much. Okay, I was choosing between this and the new special edition yellow version, which if I like this, I still might get. Why did I choose this one? The yellow accent version is 445 Canadian. It's the exact same watch as this. This one is on sale, price matched at the Bay for $249. Plus, I got $50 in credit towards my next purchase. So if I wanted to buy a cheap Casio, I could get it almost for free. So I essentially got this for $200 Canadian. That's what, 160, 150 US? I think that's a great deal. ABC sensor on this bad boy. ABC altimeter, compass, barometer. Pretty cool. It also will do your world times. It'll do all your countdown stuff. Stopwatch, timer, alarm. It will tell you the sunrise and the sunset. That's cool. Actually, when I'm camping, that would be useful information. You can store data. Let's say you get to a mountain peak and you want to save that moment. You can do that. Is it receiving from? So looks like October 29th it received. Okay, I think that's what it's saying at 12:39 p.m. And there you go. So I'm really looking forward to playing with this one. I think I'm going to take this one hiking, camping, that kind of stuff. Why did I choose this version? Simply because it was a lot cheaper. I couldn't justify the higher price. I just couldn't, at least not at this point. Let's try it on the wrist. Okay, here it is on wrist. And actually, I really like the way it fits. On my big wrist, this fits really well. Very comfortable. Double tang here on the back, which is nice. Metal keeper. Very, very nice. Positive display, easy to read the time. Oh yeah, I like this. So this thing is super, super cool. I'm really digging it. I'm gonna wear it, and then I'm going to get back to you with my thoughts in a few weeks. It is an older model, so if you want one of these, there's all kinds of reviews online. I particularly like the one by You're Terrific. He does a great job with lots of humor. Definitely check this guy out. On sale right now. There's rumors of a new version coming out. I don't know if they're discontinuing this or what. I'm not that big into the G-Shock scene. Maybe some of you guys can tell me what the future holds for this. But definitely for 250 bucks plus a $50 credit, this was one of the best pickups I probably have ever made.
This Casio I saw on Bob's channel at Time to Go Travel and Timepieces. If you haven't checked that channel out, you absolutely should. I ordered this off of Amazon, and the number is a WS-1400H 3A VCF. I'd never seen this watch before, and it looked super, super cool. And so I had to check it out. I immediately ordered it. It was delivered 2 days later. Let's see. Typical box for Casio. You can see the price in Canadian dollars. I'll have to look at what it costs in the States. Okay, check that out. Have you ever seen this one before? I had never seen it, and I was loving the colors that I saw. Here we go. Boom. So this one looks like it is geared to runners with a start and stop button there. Oh, okay. Very, very cool. It's got a black buckle. Feels like plastic. And you can check out the case back. Screwed down. Very, very lightweight. Definitely an interesting design. And what's neat about this is that it isn't too far off a G-Shock. Here, I'll put it up against this guy right here, this is a 42mm watch. I'm not sure the dimensions on this guy. I will get it in the full review. Here's a RANGEMAN. So you can see it's fairly sizable because the RANGEMAN is a large watch. And here it is next to my blacked out 5600 BB square. You can see there's not a big size difference. The numbers, the font are much larger on this guy here. Stopwatch, lap, timer, alarm, dual time, and back to your normal time. Pretty cool. I like this. Let's try it on wrist. Okay. Now, instantly, I am struck by how light it is and beefy. It's got quite a bit of wrist presence. I love that blue color on the strap and accented in 10-year battery on the crystal. Water resist 100 meters. Nice big font. Yeah, cool. I look forward to wearing this one and getting back to you with a full review. Thanks, Bob. Okay, now time to check out a microbrand. If this is the watch I think it is, that is new to the channel. Okay, got some kind of folio, I think. Very nice. Lots of bubble wrap, which we'll keep for later. Wow, I have to say, that is nice. And this is the watch I was expecting. The Swiss Watch Company. Check that out. I gotta tell you, the leather on this is really nice. This is not pleather. This is a real thing. 3 snaps. Okay, and then it folds right open. Okay, I just want to zoom out a little bit, give us a little bit more room to work with here. Feel some weight in here. Oh, check that out. Oh man, that is cool. It's got like a pan-shaped dial. Can you see the slope? Oh, and that case. Wow, this is really, really nice. Really nice. It's covered in leather. Let's clean that off. So this is a quartz piece, as you can tell, but one thing you'll notice right away is there are no minute or second markings, so you're not going to have to worry about it hitting the hash marks. Whether that's good or bad, that's up to you, but this is definitely a very cool, casual-looking piece. So this is a GMT, and I believe that must be the GMT function above the 6, sort of like a jumping hour GMT. Man, I gotta tell you, I really like this case. Really like this case. ARC GMT. Stainless steel. Swiss made. 10 Atmos. So that's good. So this is waterproof. Love the blue. Love the orange. Pan-shaped dial. And this case. Look at those lugs. Man, this is a great piece. It's got a simple push-pull crown. So there must be some good gaskets in there if it's 100 meters water resistant. Swiss made at the bottom. Their logo there. I know that logo is a little bit controversial. Not everybody's in love with it. I can see how it might feel like it's taking up quite a bit of real estate there below the 12. But yeah, I'm really digging this. Let's try it on wrist. And here we have it on wrist. Now, the strap on which it came is really, really supple and comfortable. It's got a bit of a suede texture to it and a rubber backing and quick release. Nice strap. Far, far too short for my 8.5-inch wrist. I was warned about that. So I've just quickly thrown it on this yellow strap that I had laying around just to give you a sense for what it looks like. Now you have to remember, this is a bit of a smaller watch and I have an 8.5-inch wrist, so it wears a little small, but I think I would definitely rock this size in more of a dressy style. And the case on this thing really could lend itself to a nice dressy style, although I think this is meant to be an everyday kind of GMT watch. Ah! And let's just get a little bit of a closer look at that. Throw some light on this guy. See that pan-shaped dial. So, so cool. I look forward to trying this out a little bit more, and especially trying on some other straps. So there you go. Lots to unbox today. I had a lot of fun. A couple Casios, great micro brand. Really happy to finally check out a Swiss Watch Company watch, and I'm going to give you a full review of all of these watches in the coming weeks. So make sure you hit that like and subscribe button so you don't miss out. Thanks for watching, everyone. Have a great day. If you found this video to be entertaining or educational, why not check out one of these great videos down below for more watch content.